Assalamu alaikum students, your teacher Zara Hashmi is here with you with another lesson. I hope all of you are taking good care of yourself. In today's lesson, we're going to learn so many important things. But first, a quick recap of previous lessons. So far, we have learned so many things about our country, Pakistan. We learned about flag of Pakistan and we also had a look at the map of Pakistan. And we learned about three very important cities of Pakistan: Islamabad, Lahore, and Karachi. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about landforms of Pakistan. But the first question that comes in mind is, what are landforms? The landforms are the natural shapes or the features of the earth. Let's take a look at different landforms to understand them better. A mountain. A mountain is the highest kind of land. A mountain has a peak. Mountains जो है वो बहुत ऊंची होती हैं और जो mountains की peaks हैं they are mostly covered with snow. Our country Pakistan has so many mountains. K2, the second highest mountain in the world, is in Pakistan. पूरे world में जो second highest mountain है ना वो पाकिस्तान में है. Hills are not as high as mountains. They are generally covered with grass and trees. जो hills हैं वो mountains जितनी ऊंची नहीं होती हैं और जो mountains हैं वो तो snowy होती हैं वहाँ पे snow बहुत ज़्यादा होती है बहुत high होती हैं लेकिन जो hills हैं they are mostly covered with grass and trees. Margala Hills. Margala Hills are near capital city of Pakistan. Do you know the name of capital city of Pakistan? Yes, you're right, Islamabad. So Margala Hills are near Islamabad. Look, they are covered with trees. They're beautiful, Margala Hills. A large, flat area of land is called plains. Look around you. Can you see mountains or hills? No, we can just see flat land because we live in plains. Lahore, a very important city and very close to where we live, is located on plain lands. So we live in plains very near to Lahore. Deserts are very dry form of land with very few plants. Pakistan, our country, has deserts as well. Thar is a famous desert of Pakistan. Water forms. Water forms are accumulation of water that cover the earth. पानी जहाँ जमा होता है जमीन पर उसे हम water body या water form कहते हैं. Sea. The seas are huge body of water. समंदर बहुत बड़ा होता है and the sea water is salty. Hence we cannot drink it. Remember, I told you, Karachi is a city by sea. A river is a long flowing body of water. River water is fresh water and we can drink it. Whenever we go to Lahore, we cross River Ravi. Rivers are smaller than seas. Homework time, match the following: hills, plains, deserts, sea, and match them with either their wet, dry, high, or flat. We've learned so many things about landforms. I hope you'll be able to do it very easily. And once you completed your homework, email it to me at zahrahashmi83@gmail.com. That's all for today. Have a fabulous day.